Welcome, engineers. Today I'm demonstrating the Volume to Density Interactive Calculator, a comprehensive tool that solves fundamental material property calculations in mechanical design, quality control, and materials testing. This calculator features 6 calculation modes. Under Select Calculation Mode, you'll find Calculate Density, Calculate Mass, Calculate Volume, Calculate Specific Gravity, Material Identification, and Buoyancy Force. For today's demonstration, I'll select Calculate Density. The input fields adapt based on your selected mode. For density calculation, you enter mass, with units including kilograms, grams, milligrams, pounds, ounces, or metric tons. Then enter volume with options for cubic meters, cubic centimeters, cubic millimeters, liters, milliliters, cubic feet, cubic inches, or gallons US. Let's work through a real example. I'm analyzing a machined aluminum component. First, I'll enter the mass as 2.7 kilograms and select kg from the drop-down. Next, I'll enter the volume as 1,000 and select cubic centimeters from the volume drop-down. After clicking Calculate, the results show a density of 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter, which converts to 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter. This output immediately tells me this matches standard aluminum alloy density, confirming my material specification. The calculator automatically handles unit conversions, eliminating manual calculation errors. One critical insight: always verify your unit selections match your measurement instruments. Mixing metric and imperial units without careful attention causes costly material misidentification. Find the link in the description below.